Hi, welcome to Crochet Smash. Hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to do the moss stitch crochet. I made a scarf, color blocked one, and pattern used is moss stitch. And it's an easy pattern. It's very repetitive and it's so easy to master. But the end result is like this. To feel like a very drapey fabric, I had to finish the scarf by adding some more yarn in the end. Okay, it's a small scarf I made. The gray, white, and the teal colors are really nice looking on this one. Okay, let us start. Hi, so let us begin our moss stitch scarf. I'm going to use Bennett premium yarn and size 5 mm crochet hook. I'm going to use the white and green yarns, which will give a nice contrast to make sure the stitches are really visible. So let us start. Many of the patterns says to start with doing an even number of stitches, but I find it like if I am starting with the odd number of stitches and it is better, then I have started with the just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That will be enough for a skinny scarf. We chain 2 more, so it will be 9. Then on the second stitch from hook, this one, this last stitch, this is the second from the hook, we make a single crochet, yarn over, and pull through both the loops, then chain 1, then skip the next stitch of the chain and go to the next one and make a single crochet, insert the yarn, pull up a loop, yarn over the hook, pull up through both the loops, and another chain 1, then skip this one, go to the next one, chain 1, go to the next one, and make one more single crochet. Then I find it like if you make 2 single crochets near to each one, on the last one it will be like this. Okay, I usually chain a lot more than when I'm like almost the same width I wanted for the scarf. I will stop there, then unravel the last few stitches at the end of the project. So we did single crochet, chain 1, skip the stitch, then the single crochet in the next one, like that. Okay, now in the end we make last one single crochet, then another single crochet next in the next stitch. That's the last one. Then you chain 1 to get the height, and you do the single crochet in the same stitch. You are not skipping that one, doing it here. Then chain 1, then remember the single crochet we had to skip. We are skipping one stitch, so we are skipping that single crochet and we are going to make a single crochet in the space of that chain 1 space. Then chain 1, skip that one, go to the next space, and the last one we did one single crochet, then it is the end. We are going to make a single crochet on top of the last stitch. Then again chain one, turn your work, single crochet in the same space, chain one, skip the next stitch, go to the next one, single crochet, chain one, skip the stitch in the space, single crochet, chain one, single crochet in the next chain space. And we are here, there is just one single crochet here, so that's the last single crochet, because these two single crochets are coming together. So they each side ends are like a straight. Chain one, turn, single crochet in the same stitch, chain one, skip the stitch, single crochet, chain one, skip, single crochet, chain one, skip, single crochet, and the end of the row we are making another single crochet next one more row, chain one, turn, single crochet in the space, stay same space, chain one, single crochet, chain one, single crochet, and single crochet. Okay, now I will show you how to change the color. So you're not finishing that one, hold that two loops on the hook, add your next yarn, give a little tail, go like this, and pull through here, chain one, single crochet in the same space, and tighten the yarn, then chain one, single crochet, chain one, single crochet. We are going to do the next single crochet on top of the last single crochet, single crochet, chain one, single crochet, chain one, single crochet, chain one, single crochet, and single crochet in the last stitch or the turning chain. Okay, that's how it is going to go. Then in the end you can cut the yarn here and weave it through the same color. So when you cut the white yarn, you have to leave a long tail like that. So this is the project I made, just like this. I can make it an infinite scarf just by stitching together, or a Mobius scarf by turning it and stitching together. So many possibilities. Okay, if you like the video, please remember to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye now.